In 1908, an explosion 1,000 times more powerful than Hiroshima flattened 800 square miles of Siberia and left no crater. The impact was so massive that it knocked down trees over 800 miles away, and the shockwave was felt as far as London. This event has become one of the most enduring unsolved mysteries of the 20th century, with scientists still debating its cause to this day. The first team to investigate the explosion was led by Russian scientist Leonid Kulik in 1927. Kulik's team found that the explosion had occurred in a remote area of Siberia, and that the trees in the area had been knocked down in a radial pattern, indicating an enormous release of energy. However, despite their efforts, the team was unable to find any evidence of a crater or impact zone. Over the years, numerous theories have been proposed to explain the Great Siberian Explosion, including a comet or asteroid impact, a massive release of natural gas, and even a mini black hole. However, none of these theories have been proven conclusively, and the true cause of the explosion remains a mystery. The lack of evidence and the remote location of the explosion have made it difficult for scientists to come to a definitive conclusion. In the 1950s, the Soviet Union became interested in the Great Siberian Explosion and began to conduct their own investigations. The Soviets were particularly interested in the possibility that the explosion was caused by a nuclear reaction, and they conducted a series of secret experiments in the area. However, the results of these experiments were never made public, and the true extent of Soviet involvement in the explosion remains classified. The Great Siberian Explosion had a significant impact on the environment, with the explosion causing widespread destruction to the local ecosystem. The area affected by the explosion was left barren and treeless, and it took many years for the forest to regrow. The explosion also had a significant impact on the local wildlife, with many species being displaced or extinction due to the destruction of their habitats. In recent years, modern research techniques have been applied to the study of the Great Siberian Explosion. Scientists have used advanced computer simulations and modeling to recreate the explosion and study its effects. These studies have provided new insights into the explosion and have helped to rule out some of the earlier theories. However, the true cause of the explosion remains a mystery, and further research is needed to uncover the truth. In 2019, a team of scientists discovered new evidence that sheds light on the Great Siberian Explosion. The team found a layer of sediment in a nearby lake that was deposited at the time of the explosion, and which contains particles of extraterrestrial origin. This discovery has sparked new interest in the explosion, and has raised the possibility that the explosion was caused by a comet or asteroid impact. The Great Siberian Explosion has significant implications for our understanding of the Earth's history and the potential risks posed by asteroid and comet impacts. The explosion highlights the importance of monitoring the skies for potential threats, and the need for international cooperation to prepare for and respond to such events. The explosion also raises questions about the long-term effects of such events on the environment and human societies. Despite the many investigations and research studies, the Great Siberian Explosion remains one of the most enduring unsolved mysteries of the 20th century. Many questions remain unanswered, including the true cause of the explosion, the extent of the damage, and the long-term effects on the environment and human societies. The explosion is a reminder of the complexity and unpredictability of the natural world, and the need for continued scientific inquiry and exploration. The search for answers about the Great Siberian Explosion continues to this day, with scientists using advanced technologies and techniques to study the explosion and its effects. The explosion is a reminder of the importance of scientific inquiry and the need to continue exploring and understanding the natural world. As we continue to uncover new evidence and piece together the puzzle of the explosion, we may finally uncover the truth behind this enduring mystery. What will it take to finally uncover the truth behind the Great Siberian Explosion? Subscribe to our channel for more educational content and like this video to join the conversation about the most baffling enigmas of our time.